select key and brought up Alt. Now you'll need to do you see Y in the screen?
No.
Alright. Now, do you see the input field there?
Yeah.
Okay, you're going to have to do a what? Backspace. So let's do backspace. Great, you deleted it. Now, down at the bottom of your screen, there's a keyboard. Right? I need you to go down to that keyboard, down at the taskbar. Okay? You should see a couple of icons. Move over, and that one. Now you are in charge. See how that mouse works now for you? Bring that down for the letter Y. There you go. Now you just have to push down. You could click enter or push down. What do you think?
That's awesome.
You think it's awesome? Alright. We're going to send this video over to Rob. What do you think?
Yeah,
They'll be really excited. They've been working on your the drivers for the PlayStation. So there, see that you have, do you see where the blinking light is on the screen? Alright. The cursor. It usually flashes. Ah, see how you're entering things in there? Great.
yeah.
Remember your backspace key is 0, or the circle button. Great. So now you could enter in right there at that search using your joystick what you wanted to search for as a YouTube video. And it'll work just like PlayStation. Alrighty. Feel free to go ahead and enter whatever you want. I'll give you some time to kind of explore and play with the joystick. And if you need me to tweak it, I need you to tell me. You're doing great. What we can do, and we could set the left and the right joystick to operate at different speeds. So we could have them set so that they both operate the mouse, right? And that if we use, say, the right joystick, I could slow down the mouse really slow, right? So you could use, say, the left joystick to move quickly to the keyboard, right? And then when you want to go a little slower, like when you're really targeting something, you could use the right joystick. Does that sound like a better idea?
Yeah.
Alright, let me remap that and we'll give that a shot. So there's your XPattern window. And we've just recently set those control commands for the magnifier, right? Now, I believe that the square button should increase the magnification. Very good. So you can make it as big or as small as you want. Now the button directly to the right of that, your circle button, will decrease the magnification.
That's the button I was playing.
Oh yeah. So tell me how big, use those two buttons to tell me how big you would like to have it.
Right there.
Okay. Now, when the magnification is on, all right, take a look at the screen. Tell me, what's the difference?
The difference is the right is bigger.
Yes, everything is bigger. So the bigger something gets, the less that you're going to see it at, the less you're going to see on the screen at one time. Okay, makes the keyboard really nice, right? So what you should do is use your joystick to pan up to the top of the screen, and let's explore. There you go. There's where your buttons are, right? All right. So why don't you drag that mouse now all the way to the right of the screen, and let's see if we put anything over there. Great. Awesome. All right. So just press your X button. Press your X button. Great. Now you'll see that it changes and it's brought this window into focus here. So now it brings your window into focus, okay? Notice at the bottom of your screen there are numbers.
Yep.
Okay. They start with which number?
1, 2,
And
3.
good. Which one is currently highlighted?
3.
Very good. This one here, and we should click our X. Now notice what happened on the screen. changed the way our buttons are going to work now, right?
Yep.
Okay. So now we have our Alt menu over on Select.
Yep.
And we have Minimize, we have Maximize. Our magnifier is still going to be our arrow key, okay, the bottom one, all right? Still have Tab, still have Enter, all right? So there's how you can do that. What do you think?
That's awesome.